Listen, if your life isn't changing, it's not because you lack motivation. It's because you're waiting for motivation. And waiting is the slowest way to destroy your own potential. Most people think motivation will save them. A motivational video, a quote, a sudden spark of inspiration. They believe these moments will magically change their life. But motivation is temporary. It rises fast and disappears even faster. The truth is simple. Motivation creates moments, but discipline creates results. And Mark learned this the hard way. Mark was 32, living alone in a small apartment in Ohio. Every morning he promised himself he would change. Every night he told himself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. One freezing morning, after oversleeping again, Mark looked at his reflection-tired eyes, unfinished goals, a life stuck in the same loop, and he whispered to himself, motivation isn't fixing anything. That moment changed something inside him. He didn't make a big plan. He didn't start a crazy challenge. He created just one rule. Wake up at 5:30 a.m. every day. No excuses. No negotiations. The first week was brutal. His alarm felt like torture. His body begged him to go back to sleep. But every morning he forced himself up, and he felt a small spark of pride. Not because he felt motivated, but because he did something he didn't want to do. That was disciplined, and it started reshaping his life. By week 2, small changes appeared. He cleaned his room. He started eating breakfast again. He took short morning walks. He prepared simple meals. He read 1 chapter a day, nothing huge, but everything meaningful. One morning, his neighbor Jeff, a retired Marine, saw him outside and said, "In the Marines, we never wait for motivation. Discipline builds freedom." Those words stayed with Mark all day. Then came day 24. A terrible day at work. Stress, frustration, exhaustion. He came home, collapsed on the bed, and overslept the next morning. The old Mark would have quit, but this time he didn't. That evening he wrote a note and stuck it on the wall. Missing one day doesn't break discipline. Quitting does. And with that mindset, he restarted stronger than before. By day 30, Mark finally understood the truth. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is a decision. Motivation fades. Discipline repeats. Motivation helps you dream. Discipline helps you build. And a year later, Mark wasn't a millionaire. He wasn't famous, but he was consistent. He was focused. He was confident. He woke up early. He exercised. He saved money. He performed better at work. He respected himself again. Not because of motivation, but because of discipline. Motivation is a spark. It burns bright, then disappears. But discipline is the engine that keeps your life moving. Motivation helps you start. Discipline helps you finish. And that is why discipline is always greater than motivation.